apron,
apron,
baking tray,
baking tray,
baking mat,
baking mat,
basket,
basket,
blender,
blender,
bottle opener,
bottle opener,
bowl,
bowl,
bread,
bread,
bread bin,
bread bin,
bread knife,
bread knife,
broom,
broom,
bucket,
bucket,
butter dish,
butter dish,
cake slicer,
cake slicer,
can opener,
can opener,
casserole dish,
casserole dish,
ceiling fan,
ceiling fan,
cheese,
cheese,
cheese grater,
cheese grater,
chocolate,
chocolate,
chopping board,
chopping board,
chopsticks,
chopsticks,
cleaver,
cleaver,
coaster,
coaster,
coffee granules,
coffee granules,
coffee maker,
coffee maker,
coffee pot,
coffee pot,
colander,
colander,
cookbook,
cookbook,
cork,
cork,
corkscrew,
corkscrew,
cup,
cup,
cupboard,
cupboard,
cutlery,
cutlery,
cutlery tray,
Cutlery tray,
cutting mat,
cutting mat,
deep fryer,
deep fryer,
dish rack,
dish rack,
dishwasher,
dishwasher,
dustpan,
dustpan,
egg timer,
egg timer,
electric cooker,
electric cooker,
electric fan,
electric fan,
fire extinguisher,
fire extinguisher,
flour,
flour,
food processor,
food processor,
food storage container,
food storage container,
fork,
fork,
freezer,
freezer,
fridge,
fridge,
frying pan,
frying pan,
fruit bowl,
fruit bowl,
fruit juicer,
fruit juicer,
funnel,
funnel,
garlic crusher,
garlic crusher,
glass,
glass,
grater,
grater,
herbs,
herbs,
honey jar,
honey jar,
ice cream scoop,
ice cream scoop,
ice tray,
ice tray,
jar,
jar,
jug,
jug,
kettle,
kettle,
kitchen roll,
kitchen roll,
kitchen scale,
kitchen scale,
kitchen sink,
kitchen sink,
kitchen table,
kitchen table,
kitchen timer,
kitchen timer,
knife,
knife,
knife block,
knife block,
ladle,
ladle,
lid,
lid,
lighter,
lighter,
matches,
matches,
measuring cup,
measuring cup,
measuring jug,
measuring jug,
measuring spoons,
measuring spoons,
microwave,
microwave,
milk,
milk,
mixing bowl,
mixing bowl,
mop,
mop,
mortar,
mortar,
mug,
mug,
napkin,
napkin,
napkin holder,
napkin holder,
nutcracker,
nutcracker,
oil,
oil,
olive oil,
olive oil,
oven,
oven,
oven glove,
oven glove,
oven mitt,
oven mitt,
pan lid,
pan lid,
paper towels,
paper towels,
pasta maker,
pasta maker,
pepper mill,
pepper mill,
pestle,
pestle,
pizza cutter,
pizza cutter,
placemat,
placemat,
plate,
plate,
potato masher,
potato masher,
pot holder,
pot holder,
recycling bin,
recycling bin,
rice cooker,
rice cooker,
rolling pin,
rolling pin,
rubbish bin,
rubbish bin,
rubber gloves,
rubber gloves,
salad spinner,
salad spinner,
salt,
salt,
salt mill,
salt mill,
saucepan,
saucepan,
saucer,
saucer,
scales,
scales,
scissors,
scissors,
scouring pad,
scouring pad,
serving tray,
serving tray,
sieve,
sieve,
sink strainer,
sink strainer,
slow cooker,
slow cooker,
soap,
soap,
spatula,
spatula,
spice rack,
spice rack,
sponge,
sponge,
spoon,
spoon,
steamer,
steamer,
stool,
stool,
stove,
stove,
strainer,
strainer,
tablecloth,
tablecloth,
tap,
tap,
tea bag,
tea bag,
tea towel,
tea towel,
teapot,
teapot,
thermos,
thermos,
timer,
timer,
toast,
toast,
toaster,
toaster,
toaster oven,
toaster oven,
tongs,
tongs,
tray,
tray,
trivet,
trivet,
vegetable peeler,
vegetable peeler,
waffle maker,
waffle maker,
water filter,
water filter,
whisk,
whisk,
wine glass,
wine glass,
wok,
wok,
wooden spoon,
wooden spoon,
zester,
zester,